Are you looking for ways to increase your academic performance and achieve better grades? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing 17 essential study tips that will help you to boost your grades and reach your academic goals. Get ready to learn how to maximize your study time, focus your attention, and make the most of your academic experience. Why is it important to get good grades? Good grades are important because they provide evidence of your academic ability and achievement. Grades are also a way for you to demonstrate to potential employers, universities, and other institutions that you have the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed. Good grades can also help you stand out from the competition when applying for scholarships, internships, and other opportunities. Additionally, good grades can help you develop strong study habits and discipline that will serve you well in your future academic and professional endeavors. Here are 17 ways to do better in school use. There are many SMART tests, taking strategies that you can use to improve your score on a test. Some of the most common strategies are to focus on the questions that are most important to the test. Follow good rules for writing. Use proper grammar and punctuation. Don't plagiarize. Use effective sentence structure and clear and concise language. Use effective transitions and use effective editing techniques. Use time wisely. It is important to use time wisely because it is limited. There are many things that we want to do in life, but we only have so much time. We should not waste time on things that are not important. Become noteworthy for better grades. Becoming noteworthy is not as difficult as it may seem. All it takes is a little bit of effort and a lot of hard work. Don't forget to schedule your downtime for better grades. Studying for exams is important, but it's also important to take time for yourself every once in a while. Make sure to schedule your downtime for better grades so you can get the most out of your studying. Know why good grades matter to you. I believe that good grades matter to you because they reflect positively on your abilities. They are a sign that you are doing your best and that you are progressing in your education. Good grades can help you get into a good college or university. Attend all your classes. Taking all of your classes will help you get better grades. It will ensure that you are up to date on all of the material that is being taught in class, and it will give you the opportunity to ask questions and participate in class discussions. Stay organized for better grades. Organizing your school materials can help you stay on top of your work and get better grades. Understand the topic. Understanding the material is key to getting better grades. Instead of just memorizing the information, take the time to understand the concepts and principles behind the material. Take more effective notes. Taking effective notes is an important skill for any student. It helps you stay organized, capture important information, and retain the material better. Try to limit distractions, take breaks, and ask for help when needed. With consistent effort, you can improve your grades and get closer to reaching your academic goals.